Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in Settings, so unlock the device and open Settings now. Tap Screen Time to begin. This central control manages limits and privacy. Choose whether this is your device or your child's. That choice sets default controls. Once done, enable screen time if it's off, and create a passcode you won't share. This passcode prevents changes and enforces rules. Make sure to note the passcode somewhere secure, because losing it complicates future changes. Enable content and privacy restrictions by toggling the switch. This activates a separate panel of controls. You'll restrict purchases, app installs, and explicit media. Do this to prevent accidental charges and exposure. Next, set app age ratings and disable specific apps if needed. Then visit privacy settings inside the same screen to control location, contacts, and microphone access. Once set, these rules block changes without your screen time passcode, so double-check each category for the exact limits you want. Finish by reviewing every toggle and testing a blocked action with a demo app so you confirm behavior. If you supervise a child, enable family sharing to manage settings remotely and receive reports. Make sure downtime and app limits are scheduled if you want time-based enforcement. If something's wrong, try signing out and back into iCloud, or reset the screen time passcode via device restore if necessary. One key tip: keep your screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.